like Italian. Where'd you go? Hey, come on! Hey, where'd you go? Oh, hey, come on!
Are you being a nosy neighbor?
Bag up, Terry. Would it revert, Terry? Would it revert? Oh, Lord!
I honestly have no idea why he does this. My working theory. Damn. Oh, are you okay?
You push the door like that. No, don't put your... Just push the door. Just push the door, honey. Just push the door. No, Mello. You gotta do that against the door. And he gives up.
You're not coming into my country. Not on my watch. One Mexican down.
Sprawa jest specyficzna i była specyficzna i wielu ludzi to zrozumiało. Oczywiście będą tacy, którzy nie zrozumieją tego nigdy, będą tacy, którzy nigdy nie będą chcieli tego zrozumieć.
Wait for it.
Mommy. Mommy. Father. Mommy. Fall down. Daddy. Daddy.
Moon. Moon! Why are you always doing weird shit in here, dude? Okay. What are you doing?
Don't do that, you scared me. Yeah, now you pretend you got fleas. Sort it out. Lay down. Not on me!
You ready now?
I release her. There it is. That's so weird. Oh no! Biting it.
Niggas in time out. I told your ass. Didn't I tell you? I'm gonna stuff you in the fucking couch. Didn't I tell you I was gonna do that to you if you keep fucking up? You like the, and you just sit here smiling and shit.
Giving my cat flea meds gone wrong.
We got a new Build-A-Bear, you guys.
Because we got a new Build-A-Bear and then it surprised us with a new cat.
I'm so hungry, I can eat a dog.
Kac morderca nie ma serca. Nic, śpi.
Boom, 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 and let me hear you say, well.
Quítatelo.
Are we ready? Are we ready?
Shut up, it is not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Oh, that was a good catch.
You just sneezed all over me.
Tommy.
What are you doing? Come in. What are you doing? We're busy right now, man.
Such a good, friendly boy. Oh, so friendly and not intimidating at all. Oh, what a friendly boy. Oh.
Is that so cool? It's water. Was that a lot? Was that a lot?
Aji, Mommy has something important to tell you. Listen up now. You're adopted.
Bouge! Dégage! Allez, bouge! Putain, mais il est con, quoi!
Ya váyanse los dos. Váyanse los dos a jugar afuera ya. Gala. Zeus, Gala afuera.
Si te sabes portar bien, nada más pórtate.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
See how the bucket? Oh, good.
You're a little baby.
Let me get the angle of the fucking clean one.
Have one. You can have one bite. Sit. Oh my god. It's pistachio ice cream.
Like this at home. No, I have a cleaner. Refusing to tidy up in the 21st century is a bold act of feminism.
Bro. Move. Curry.
Bonjour, vous faites du stop? Ah, merci. D'accord.
Escucha las palabras de las brujas, los secretos escondidos en la noche. Los antiguos dioses invocamos ahora la obra de la magia oculta.
You kidding me? Who said that you're allowed to be this freaking cute?
Come on, Muffin.
Okay, Mammy. Ma.
In today's episode of I Bought a Toy for the Cats and Lewis just commandeered it.
Jump scare.
Ay, me duele. ¡Ma! Le digo mamá,
Oh my gosh! She's bald! She's bald and she's torturing people who have hair!
Lily, would you like your chicken? Would you like your chicken? Come on then.
Vamos, culera, vamos. Vamos, te crees bien verga, culera.
No me
Pinche
creo,
perra.
soy verga.
A mí no me estás cagando el palo, mierda. A mí no me estás cagando el palo. ¿A poco crees que no te puedo?
Flower, come here. All right. We're taking the puppy on a little walk today. Oh my god, he's peeing on me! Great start to our walk.
Happy birthday to you.
Hang on a second. Is this what I think it is? Is this a sweet treat?
¿Quién hizo esto con el control? ¿Quién? Mirá lo que hizo. El chiquitito ese.
What is it about her that is just sort of catches your heart
Jesus Christ. Hurry.
Draper just has the tag.
Coba kita klakson. Ya Allah, ya Allah.
And I have not behaved one single day of my life. Not one day of my life have I behaved, and I am fine.
He gets mad at Dozer, he just sits on him. Poor Dozer.
Oh. It's a piece of wood. Oh, did you
I don't
give me
think
a
it is.
present?
I don't think it is.
I don't think it's a piece of wood.
It's not anything dead. Might be a wing. Oh.
Parkour! Michael, parkour! Parkour!
So here I am trying to put this cage together, and this one decides, oh, let me destroy the instructions. Yeah, now I'm just figuring it out.
Ow, Chloe, I'm fine. I'm fine. Honey, I'm fine. I'm okay. I promise. I'm okay. I'm fine. No, I'm not.
Nugget? Okay, you have to pick one. You have to make a decision. She's literally trying to
Give me the baby. Give me the baby.
You have to drop the
Hey,
baby.
Give me the baby. Give me the baby.
I think we broke her.
Give me the baby. Okay, go get the nugget.
Oh my god. You are some type of
Have the baby
special.
back
No, ma'am. Pause off.
Oh.
No. Draco, no, déjalo. Déjalo en paz.
Nina. Respeta la visita. Nina. Sí, se rasca. Sí, está perreando.
Is it your birthday? Oh my god, happy birthday!
Shave off. Stop, you're scaring him.
Heb je nog niet door dat het glad is, muts?
Oh, not the curtain. Hey. Oh my god. This, oh god.
What the fuck happened?
Okay, listen. The curtains are off limits.
So I'm over here shooting this thing, right? And I just see somebody hop up on the tire. And you just seen what happened next. So, Coco. Dickhead.
In response to not getting the attention I deserve, I've decided I will cause problems on purpose.
Wait until the end.
What in the world has came out delivered to me today?
She's more batshit crazy than her mom.
What are you doing in my house?
Damn, he's full too.
Good boy.
Good, I can't even say that.
Cable. No. No.
No. No, mamá.